right, now that we've got all our Italian ingredients perfectly on our havabichi, I'm just gonna start mixing and matching, dicing and cutting a little bit, making sure everything is covered in our beautiful ingredients, that gorgeous sauce, our extra special peppers, sausage, mushrooms. We've got some tomatoes here. Of course, our tomato sauce, marinara, which you can use any kind that you like. And I am just making sure this is getting all perfectly incorporated. Don't worry about anything being in a large chunk. It's all gonna work out and be perfectly cut up and divided. All right, now I'm just coming in with my special Italian dinner cutter, and I'm just cutting everything into smaller pieces because we had some big mushrooms in here. Obviously, we have our crust in here, but everything is going to be perfectly chopped and combined. I know these peppers were a little bit big. Sometimes we like things in these big strips, but I know not everyone does. So this is a perfect opportunity to bring out your rocking blade and just give this all a nice cut to make it into bite-sized pieces, perfectly portioned. Alrighty, we're just gonna give this a great little toss here. Look at this. Oh my God, doesn't this look delicious? What a gorgeous, yummy dinner. Getting this all combined. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All my favorite foods in here. Of course, you can perfectly customize this to your liking. Easy family dinner. The whole family's gonna love. One of my family's favorites, and I'm so excited to be sharing this with you today. Now I'm just coming in with a bit more of my mozzarella, and I'm just gonna scatter this throughout, all on top here. Oh my God, this is gonna be perfect. Y'all can use more cheese than this if you prefer. This was a 2-pound bag. I used about 1 pound inside, 1 pound outside. Luckily, I had another 2-pound bag. This one is actually rustic cut, and I love this rusticity of this cheese. It is just so pretty. It looks fancy. I love that now Lucerne makes their own version, the store brand from Safeway. And look at this. This is so fancy. Yeah, I used to only see this kind of cheese made rustic cutted by Tillamook. And it's really nice to see the store brands just adopting this as well and giving us a more cost affordable version of these fancy kind of cheeses. Alrighty, I'm just closing my lid on my havabichi, and I'm gonna wait about 10 minutes for that cheese to melt. Alrighty, y'all, check out our beautiful Italian masterpiece. Now this pizza, here's some Italian seasoning I'm putting on this. This pizza flavored pasta is a delicacy that is done a lot in Philadelphia, and I wanted to share this with you all today. All right, and then here's the really fun part. You just get in here, you grab yourself a delicious slice of pasta because it's pizza pasta, Italian night. All right, the only thing left to do is to grab a bite of this. Oh my God, mamma mia.